Just like that, we're back, baby. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to the channel, and welcome back to your daily dose of octane. So just over there is Prestige Imports in Lamborghini, Miami. They're putting on an event called Exotics and Espresso. So naturally, we brought the Exotic Fusion, and I don't drink coffee, so no espresso. But hey, I got the Koenigsegg shirt, so it's gotta count for something, right? But a good friend of mine, SUPERCAR Mike, told me this is a crazy event, you gotta check it out. And it can even get a little rowdy at times, so let's go see what they got. I haven't even been here for more than 2 minutes and the Project Vulcan Pagani is already out. There's not even other cars here yet. That's how you know this is gonna be crazy. Just look at that beauty. I'm not entirely sure if I caught this on camera, but this Audi just lit a bush on fire revving. Look at this. Alright guys, we're at Prestige Imports, the best showrooms in America. I try to change my mind, but you're just wrong. They got the Cullinan, they got the Evo, they got Ferraris, they got SUJs, they even got the Senna back there. Oh yeah, that's all cool, really nice, you know, but other dealerships have that. Yeah, well, do other dealerships have this? Old school Bugatti and just casually a Devo? Yeah, that's what I thought. made. Number 40 of 40, the last one. When you thought it couldn't get any crazier than the full carbon Pagani Vulcan, this guy shows up with a freaking Bugatti Chiron. I'm more of a Pagani guy myself, but whew, I give it respect. Come back together. All these ridiculous cars, and this is just the prestige lot. There's a whole nother lot over there. Let's get to it. We're now in the other parking lot, and man, oh man, guys, I've died and gone to Lamborghini heaven. Check this out. We're literally stopping traffic so they can leave. This is hilarious. And now we'll let them go. Alright guys, another day, another car show all done and dusted. Hope you guys enjoyed it as much as I did, but I'm gonna sit in this AC for another 5 hours and catch you guys in the next one. Comment down below which car was your favorite and subscribe. Peace.